Students, we move on to do question number 3. Let me state the question. A curve is such that dy over dx is given as 3 times of 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2. It is given that the points 1, 9 and 5, a lie on the curve. Find the value of a. Right. Now this is the solution. So what are we required? We need to find the curve. Now how do we do that? We know WKT stands for, we know that dy over dx is 3 times of 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2. I'm going to integrate. So for that I'm going to rewrite this as dy is equal to 3 times of 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times the dx, and I'm going to state that integrating both sides we get. So what do we get? This is integral dy integral 3 times of 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times dx. Now this quantity I need to integrate this by substitution. So let 4x instead of taking I don't need to take the value 3. I'll take it as 4x positive 5 is equal to, say, some t squared. I differentiate both sides. I get 4 times dx is equal to 2 times t dt. Now I divide by 2 both sides. This would give me 2 times dx is equal to t dt. I need only dx. So dx is t times dt over 2. Take that value and substitute it here. So this is equal to, if you were to integrate dy, you get y. 3 is a constant, take it out. 4x positive 5, I replace it with t squared. This has got 1 over 2. In place of dx, you substitute t dt over 2. This is the constant, take it out. So this is 3 over 2 integral. Now there is a rule for indices. So a raised to the power of m raised to the power of 1 over n can be rewritten as a raised to the power of m over n. So we have here t squared raised to the power of 1 over 2. This could be written as 2 times 1 over 2. So 2 gets cancelled, you get t. Substitute that. So I have a t there. Already there is a t there. And you have dt. So this is 3 over 2. T into t would give you t squared. And you have to integrate this. Now integrating t squared would give you t raised to the power of 2 positive 1 divided by 2 positive 1. I can rewrite this as 3 over 2 times t raised to the power of 3 divided by 3, which is 3 times t raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. But 3 can divide 6 2 times, so I can rewrite this as t raised to the power of 3 divided by 2. But what is t squared? 4x positive 5. And from here, what is t? T is going to be root of 4x positive 5, right? So substitute that value. So if you were to substitute that, this is going to be root of 4x positive 5. There is a cube there, place that, divided by 2. Now what is this? This is going to be 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2. There is a cube there. And you have a divided by 2. So what is this? This could be rewritten as 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 3. So it's 3 over 2 divided by 2. But this is indefinite integral. So you place the arbitrary constant c. What have you got on the left? You got y. So what we have got is the equation of the curve. So you can write that. Therefore, the equation of the curve is, right? So we need to do all of this. to get the equation of the curve. So now let me move on to the next part. So we've been given that points 1, 9 and 5, a lie on the curve, and we need to get the point A. So let me turn to the next page. So therefore the equation of the curve is what? Y is equal to 4x positive 5 raised to the power of 3 over 2, and then you have a 2 there as in the denominator, plus c. Now we are given 5, a lies on the curve. So what is the meaning of this? This means x is equal to 5, y is equal to a. So if we were to take 2, so therefore 2 can be rewritten as a is equal to 4 times of 5 positive 5 divided by 2. This is raised to the power of 3 over 2, right? And positive c. Now we are encountering an issue where c has to be found. Now let me take this as 3. We are also given another point. Also 1, 9 lies on the curve 2. So this means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9. So therefore 2 can be rewritten as 9 is equal to 4 times of 1 positive 5 raised to the power of 3 over 2 positive 2 positive c. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 added with 5 would give me 9. So that means 9 is raised to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 2 positive c. Now we need to do some algebra here. I can rewrite 9 as 3 squared, and this is raised to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 2 positive c. But as I mentioned to you, a raised to the power of m, say you have raised to the power of p over q, this can be rewritten as a raised to the power of m times p divided by q. So if I were to utilize this, this is going to be 3 raised to the power of 2 times of 3 over 2 divided by 2 positive c. 2 gets cancelled. You get 3 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 positive c. 3 raised to the power of 3, what is that? That is 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3, that's going to be 27. So I substitute 27 over 2 positive c. And what you got on the left hand side? You got 9 there. I need to get the value of c. So this is going to be 9 minus 27 over 2 is equal to c. Now you take the LCM, this is 18 negative 27, and you have c, which is nothing but c is equal to negative 9 over 2. So this is the value that you have got for c. Now having got the value for c, you got to move up here. So therefore we know that the value of c is what? Negative 9 over 2. You shall substitute that negative 9 over 2 there, and 3 can be rewritten. So therefore 3 can be rewritten as what? A is equal to 4 times 5 positive 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2. This is negative 9 over 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2. Negative 9 over 2 is equal to a. I can rewrite 25 as 5 squared. This is 3 over 2 divided by 2 negative 9 over 2. And this would become 5 raised to the power of 3 by the previous explanations that I have provided you with the law of indices. So this is 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 negative 9 over 2. Now what is 5 raised to the power of 3? That is 5 multiplied 5 with 5 multiplied with 5. That is going to give you 125. So I got 125 divided by 2 negative 9 over 2. And you got a there. You take the LCM as 2, you get 125 negative 9. So from 125 you subtract 9. This is 15, so you get a 6 and a 116. So 116 divided by 2, 2 divides 11 5 times, you got 8 there. So therefore the value of 8 is 58. So you need to do all of this to arrive at the requirement. So find the value of a. and with practice you can achieve it. We move on to the next question.